Hello students, so in this video we are going to prove this theorem of 9th class. The theorem is that prove that sum of linear pair of angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so first of all let's draw a linear pair of angle. Let's say this is the ray. Alright, so now let's name this line and angles. Let's say this is AB line. O is a originated point of this ray, right? And this is C. Okay, so what we need to prove that angle AOC plus angle COB should be equal to 180 degree. That is what we need to prove. Okay, so let's go and try to prove it. So first of all we will write here that given, what is given in the theorem, that two linear pair of angles, linear pair of angles, it is given in the theorem. Now to prove, what we have to prove, that angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Here is a proof. Okay, so first of all we have to construct something here over here. Construct a perpendicular from here. Let's say that this is, we are constructing a perpendicular line. This is the perpendicular line, right? So this angle would be 90 degree and this angle also would be 90 degree because this is a perpendicular line. So right, this is the construction. So right over here, construction, just what you have constructed on the figure. So you OC perpendicular to AB. Can we say angle AOC is equal to angle AO? Here just name this point D, right? Name this point D. So can we say angle AOC is equal to angle AOD plus DOC? Can we say or not? Of course we can, right? Of course we can say it. So angle AOC is equal to angle AOD plus angle DOC. You can angle COB. Let this equation first. Now angle COB is equal to, so now angle COB, what we can say, that can we say angle DOB plus, angle DOB minus angle DOC, DOB minus angle DOC, let this equation 2. Now add equation first and 2. Add equation first and 2, right? So from adding equation, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to angle AOD plus angle DOC plus angle DOB minus angle DOC. Here this will cut, angle DOC will be cut here. So here what is remains, angle AOD plus angle DOB. And what is angle AOD is equal to what? Angle AOD is equal to, we can see in the figure that angle AOD is equal to 90 degree and angle DOB is equal to also 90 degree. So in the place of angle AOD we can write 90 degree plus in the place of DOB we can also write 90 degree here because this is equal to 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So watch it here, that angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. hence proved. Right. Alright students, so you can subscribe this channel for this kind of content, and thank you so much.